What's up, guys? I hope you're having a good day. I finally got my coilovers for the R line, and we go with the diesel truck, but got the coilovers for the R line, and you guys love seeing everything, so I thought I would unbox it in front of you, since I was gonna unbox it anyway. Open this. I've honestly never owned coilovers, and I'm excited, and that's flying. I'm excited to see how the car rides. I have lowering springs right now, and I've never owned coilovers, so I'm excited to finally have that wheel gap going. Ugh. Like all this right there. It has the lowering springs right now, the H&R sport springs, but there's still like a wheel gap, which bothers, and it's very stiff, so that one should be a lot smoother ride too. Okay, back to this. Catch my breath here. I can't install them today because I need a friend to help, but I wanted to at least unbox them today. Yes. Let's go, finally. Okay, that's beautiful. They all look similar, so I would unbox all of them, but I think I would bore you out. But for now, I'll show you what it looks like. And this is the spring. It's blue. I can't wrap this with one hand, but it's this blue color on gold, which is really sick. The adjusting springs. Open one more. I think this is the front, since it's small, maybe. Let me leave that in there. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with those since I'm taking this whole package to my friend anyway for him to install it for me. Since I do need help, I've never installed coilovers. I'm not really sure. I know it's very similar to lowering springs, but I was helped with those as well, so might as well just have him help me with that. But yeah, hopefully next video we'll do an installation video. If you guys want to see that, let me know, or if you just want to see how it looks after. But yeah, all that wheel gap should be gone. But yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Excited. The color is so nice. Got this. Can't wait to put them on.